Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor team performance in ClickUp using the built-in workload view. Whether you're managing a growing team, trying to balance workloads more effectively, or you simply want a clear overview of how much your team is working at any given time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp account and navigate to the space, folder, or list where you manage your team's tasks. Once you're there, look at the top of the screen and click on the Add View option. From the list of available views, select Workload. Make sure to follow along carefully here, because adding the correct view is the foundation for monitoring performance accurately. Next, once the workload view is added, you'll see your team members displayed along a timeline. This view helps you understand who is busy, who has available capacity, and where tasks might be unevenly distributed. You can adjust the time range to view daily, weekly, or monthly workloads, depending on how detailed you want your performance tracking to be. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your team members are added to ClickUp, tasks are properly assigned, and time estimates or effort values are filled in. You can choose how workload is calculated, such as by time estimates, number of tasks, sprint points, or even custom fields. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents confusing or inaccurate data. Once you've completed these steps, review the indicators that show when someone is overloaded or underutilized. From there, you can reassign tasks, adjust deadlines, or redistribute work more evenly across the team. After that, you should be able to monitor team performance clearly and make smarter decisions without interruptions. It's also a good idea to revisit the workload view regularly, especially after planning weekly or sprint-based tasks, to keep everything balanced and running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to monitor team performance in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?